Hey guys, welcome back to a Gamer Geek Jax video. Now I know it's been a long time since your boy has, put a video out, but so that was Gamer Geek over there. I don't know if you can see him, he's right behind me though. So I am Epic Gamer. I have been in some of the videos, not all of them. I think so. He's currently playing Fortnite behind me, so. But today we're gonna be playing some Those Who Remain, and let's get into Wave 3, I guess. And here we are. There's like literally a Prius right here. Like, can I get in? Oh crap. Okay. I'm trying to see where all these other folks are. Like, where are y'all at? I don't want to chat. Let's see. Oh, okay. So here's Ghost. GB Ghost. I can already hear some zombies. So, yeah. I hear some. She actually looks good. She actually looks real good, too. So, what do you got right here? Oh, they're coming from over here. Okay, she's gonna come over here with me. Oh, guys, I'm about to die. There's like so many of them right now. I'm getting like all these headshots and stuff, so. Like, dude. Bruh, this is like so freaking. I really hope I don't die. This dude is dead. So let's come over here. I just grabbed a med kit. So let's just gonna get some kills right quick. Some more over there. I don't know where all the other people are though. So let's go see if we can go get a med kit. So yeah, let's go see if we can go get a med kit real quick. Probably heal up. Yeah, get ready to press my little E that I have to press. And we'll just come in through the back again. Oh, they're coming from the sides. Crap. Hey, buddy. Crap. Where's everybody else? Like, why am I the only one? Like, look, I literally have all these on me by myself. And more coming. Let's go in and grab our little med kit again to see if we can just outrun them because no one is actually here to help me. So let's kill him. Come at me though. See if we can just make them over here. Like, I want to see if they can push them over here for me. So. Oh, let me ready up. Okay, so back on another thing. It has been like currently 6 minutes and I want to make this video long. So, and I have about like roughly an hour left to play, so I already hear the zombies. Let me see, like, I don't know where the kit is though. I don't know where the kit is though, so is it over here? No, that's ammo. I guess this is the med kit? No. I need help! Like, bruh. Oh, my bad, guys. So, that was okay, so that was wave 4, and we're back to intermission. We go to loadout, see if we can buy us another gun. Nope, we are still probably, yeah, we're still on level 4, so, stop. Sorry, that was Gamer Geek up there trying to scare me. I'm playing my game.
I'm not trying to scare you.
I'm gonna purchase. I'm gonna purchase this new weapon.
By the way, you know it only lasts like so long.
So that is it, guys, for today. Bye.